Look at those f***ing cha-chas, right? Hey guys, Josh with Fortis HD. Today we're looking at dead blow hammers. We got 3 in front of us we're gonna test. Got a couple different brands and then obviously the impact polys that we sell. You can always buy these at fortishd.com. If you got questions about them, reach out, Josh D at fortishd.com. If you want to see us hit other stuff, let us know. I don't know. Comment below. As you can tell, they're all virgins. We're not doing any sort of fancy marketing stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up a pin and we're gonna just start swinging these things and see what we get. We'll start obviously with the little guy. All we're gonna do is hit on top, see what we get, right? So see how we get a little bit of slide off. A little bit of slide. Not a huge dead blow. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so 10. I don't know if you can see the camera. Get a little bit of marking up, but that's gonna happen. Next up, we're gonna try this red and black one. I don't know the brand on it, but it's red and black, and some of you guys love them. Sorry, did you get a pre? Is that what you need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm also amazed that I can count to 10. Now to the impact poly. Oh, look, it even says it on the impact poly. Again, this one's a little heavier. Oh, I should probably adjust my pin a bit. This is where I put in the fake soft pin, right? Well, that's solid. 6, 7. Again, little markings, right? It's gonna happen. Okay, now we're just gonna do some bounce tests, right? Dead blow hammer. See how much feedback we get on it. Obviously, we don't have the scientific shit to get real close, but good enough. Not bad. You can feel a little bit of a kick there, right? Like it comes up a touch. Next. Again, feels good in the hand, right? Just because the ergonomic grip. Oh, double knockdown. Number 3. Oh, one and done. One and done. You can hear how loose it is, right? So all the shot inside there. It's definitely not solid, let's put it that way. A little more ergonomically handled, if we want to say that. Still, I don't know if you're getting that, but a little loose, right? You could probably put a little more in there as well. But we all know the extra product in there is extra money and nobody likes to spend that. Last one is the impact poly version. Sturdy handle, right? Solid steel shaft. I don't know if you can hear it. Barely any sound there because it's a filled head. Solid, not gonna leave a mark. It's well built. You'll feel it when you get it in your hand. For an option that's not a daily use item, this one's not that bad. It feels decent in the hand. And I mean, if you wanna look pretty on the job site, right? Like, I know some of you guys like to look pretty out there. If you just want to hurt your hands a little bit, you can use this bad boy. I mean, it'll do the trick. This is kind of what you put in your stepkid's stocking at Christmas and be like, hey, here's a hammer for you, bud. If you're buying hammers on fortishd.com, use the promo code IMPACT10. Save yourself 10% on your first order of hammers. Parts at fortishd.com if you got any questions. Like, subscribe, do all that bullshit. Don't, oh, that's painful to say. Like and subscribe. I'm way too old to be saying that kind of stuff on camera, man. Can I go now? It's lunchtime. Yeah? Yeah.
If you have a favorite tool you'd like to showcase in action on the channel, reach out and submit your video to media@fortishd.com. Join us on our journey to tool the next generation.